Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Wisdom International School's digital classroom for mathematics. So we are going to continue with this construction chapter. So in the first video we have learned few constructions, right, like bisection of angles and drawing perpendicular bisector and so on. So now in this this video we are going to learn how to draw a certain kind of triangles. Okay, so first we are going to learn how to construct a triangle where a base is given and a base angle is given and the sum of other two sides are given. So let us say when they say base is given, like let's say you have a triangle ABC. Okay, if BC is given, the measurement of BC is given, that's what is your base, and some angle B is given. Okay, that's the base angle, and sum of the other two sides are this and this. Okay, so adding these two, whatever the side is, the length is, that is being given. So how do you draw a triangle, such triangle? Okay, so first what you do is draw the base BC. You draw the BC over here, BC, and then from the point, so this is the measurement, with the measurement, like if they would have given BC is 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, whatever it is, use your scale and draw the line. Okay, then after that they would have given some angle also, like angle B is like 50 degree, 60 degree or whatever, so you can use your protractor and draw the angle. All right, let us say we have drawn the angle XBC. This was is given over here. Now the second point says that cut a line segment BD equal to AB plus AC. Now they would have given you the sum of the other two sides. That's what the question says, right? So AB plus AC, if it is given, with that measurement you cut an arc over here. Okay, from the B. So let's name that as D. Now join this B and C. Okay, now from here what you should do, make an angle. See, this makes an angle DCY over here. See, you have a BDC, this angle is there over here, right? So you are supposed to draw the same angle, copy the same angle with DCY. So this way, the same angle over here. Understood? So how do you do that? You take an arc. So I'm just going to tell you how to draw a copy an angle. Okay, let us learn how to copy an angle. So let us say we have joined it. Okay, after this you take a compass, just keep your needle over D and cut an arc like this. Okay, after this, so let's say you cut an arc like this. Okay, after this measure this. Okay, so with the same thing from D to C, whatever you have drawn, I mean from D you have drawn this arc, right? So the same way you keep it over C and draw the arc like this. Okay, without disturbing the radius of the compass. Okay, then you measure this, keep the needle over here. So I'll tell you how to keep it. You keep it over here, keep the pencil over here. Okay, and measure this. The same way you keep it over here, keep the needle over here and cut an arc. Okay, cut an arc wherever you get, cut an arc. All right, then join these two like this. All right, so this is going to be the measurement. DCY and BDC will be equal. All right, so now here you name this as A. So this is your ABC is your required triangle. Okay, see they say let CY intersect BX at A. So this is this Y is, they are just saying that just draw a line like this Y. Actually you don't have to, you can just mark the point over here wherever it intersects as A, that's all. Okay, so this is your triangle ABC. Alright, now we'll come to the next one. To construct a triangle given its base, so again here base is given, a base angle is given, and difference of the two sides are given. It's not addition, it's difference. Okay, the subtraction of two sides. So if they are talking about ABC, see there are two cases, because AB could be greater than AC or AC could be greater than AB, right? Because it says ABC, so there are two different sides. See, BC is given, so first you draw the base BC as usual. See, I have drawn it. Okay, and then at point B you make an angle. So this step is easy, right? These two. After this, if AB is greater than AC, okay, what do? You take that measurement AB minus AC and cut an arc. So it's going to come over here, right? Because it's subtraction, right? It's going to be a smaller line. So now you join DC. Then after that you draw a perpendicular bisector of DC. whatever the DC is, draw a perpendicular bisector of DC, and then after that, you know, see this perpendicular bisector, see this BD already you have drawn this angle, no, BX. On that it should, this perpendicular bisector, you just extend it and try to cut it over here. Okay, so the point of intersection turns out to be your A and joint C. So ABC is your required triangle. This ABC is your required triangle. Understood? So now what if AC was greater than AB? So then in that case you come to the second thing. So if AC is greater than AB, so the first thing is the same. You draw the BC as usual. See, I have drawn the BC. Okay, then you take the difference and you know, you draw the angle also, as in the case, in the first case you have drawn the angle also. Now you draw the AC minus AB, whatever measurement is there, you cut an arc at, so see here what they are saying, cut line segment BD equals to this AC minus AB from the line extended opposite side. So when AC is greater than AB, you go downwards, you know, just, you know, draw the line, extend it downwards like this. Okay, then you take the arc and cut an arc on this side. Okay, BD over here, and now join the CD. So let us join the CD. Okay, so what do? You do the same procedure, but instead of cutting it up you cut it but the bottom. Okay, join it, then again you just, you know, draw the perpendicular bisector we have learnt in the first video. So let this intersect the BX at some point. This point is A, and your ABC is the required triangle. This is your required triangle. Okay, the little triangle over here. Understood? So that's how you will draw it. Now the next one is, what if a perimeter of a triangle is given and its two base angles are given. Perimeter is like all added together, AB plus BC plus CA is what is your perimeter. So that's given, and two angles are given. Base angles means these are the base angles. If these are given, how are you going to do it? So first, draw a line segment, say XY equals to BC plus CA plus AB, whatever the perimeter is given, no, you draw that line, that particular thing. Let us say that big line has been drawn. After that, so let us name it as X and Y. Okay, all right. Now next what you do is, you are taking, make angles LXY equals to angle B. So there are two angles given, right? So that angle you make it. So let's say this is one point and this is one point. At X and Y, you just make one angle, this particular angle over here. Okay, and this particular angle over here. Whatever the angle is given, you have to make that angle. All right. After that, bisect these angles. Okay, so this angle is the given angle, whatever they have given. Let us say, you know, 50, 60 or whatever is given, you draw that angle using the protractor, then bisect the angle. So in the last video I had told you how to bisect it. So bisect it, something like this. Okay, so let these bisectors intersect at point A. So this particular point where they both intersect will be your A. All right, now what do? Draw perpendicular bisector PQ of AX and RS of AY. Now the lines which you have got, that is this line and this line, you have to draw a perpendicular bisector of this. So you know how to draw a perpendicular bisector. In the last week I had explained it, right? So this will be your perpendicular bisector over here, and for this this will be the perpendicular bisector, something like this, right? Okay, so now the point where it's intersecting this line, you name it as B and C. See, they are saying let PQ intersect XY at B and RS intersects XY at C. Okay, now join AB and AC. So A and this ABC is your required triangle. Got it? Understood? So that's it. So now we'll so here you please go over this video properly and see if you are able to draw it. Okay, just with some measurement, if you are able to draw it. Okay, and after this we are going to learn the next exercise questions. I'm just going to show you a few next exercise questions. So look at this. So first let's come to exercise 6.2. okay, here it says construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 centimeters. So first you draw a rough figure. See how I have drawn. BC is 7, angle B is 75, and AB plus A is 13. So what do? First you take the line, draw a line, measure it and draw BC equals 7 centimeter. Let us say this is BC, okay? So BC is 7 centimeter. Then take your protractor and draw the angle 75 over here, okay? Let us say this is 75. Alright, so now let's say this is X, okay? This is X and this is 75, let us say. Now what you do, here they've given AB plus AC is 13. So measure 13 in your compass, keep the needle over here, and 13 centimeter cut an arc over here. Okay, so this is 13 centimeter. Now join these two. Which one? The C and this. Okay, so let us name this as D. Alright, so let's name this as D. Okay, now you have to copy the angle. So how do you copy the angle? First you keep the needle over here, cut an arc. So the same with the same needle, the same measurement, cut an arc over here also. Then you measure these two, okay, and same way you measure these two and cut an arc. Okay, so this particular thing is what is your angle. So this you join it over here. This is your A. So this ABC is the required triangle. Alright, so you can say that ABC is this triangle. ABC is your required triangle. So you draw the write the steps of construction. See, I have written, draw a line first, BC equals to 7 centimeter, then draw an angle XBC equals to 75, then you cut an arc of this 13 centimeter on the ray BX, join DC, then copy the angle. Okay, then triangle ABC is the required triangle. That's it. Okay, now let's come to the second question. Construct a triangle ABC. So again I have drawn a rough figure ABC where BC is 8 centimeters. So I have drawn 8 centimeter, angle B is 45 and AB minus AC is 3.5. So what do? AB minus AC is given, not AC minus AB. If they would have given AC minus AB, I'll go in the opposite way, right? So here AB minus AC is given. So first draw the line again. Okay, so let us say you draw a line or BC of 8 centimeter. Okay, this is 8 centimeter, this is B and this is C. Then you use your protractor and draw a line of 45 degree. So let's say this is 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree, and this is, let's say, X. Now what do? You take this measurement 3.5, cut an arc 3.5 over here. So this is D. So this measurement is 3.5. Now join these two, D and C. Alright, now what do? You draw a perpendicular bisector, right? Perpendicular bisector of this line. That is, perpendicular bisector of this line is going to be somewhere over here. Let us say something like this. Right? Okay, this is the perpendicular bisector. So the point where it intersects over here is what is your A. Okay, now join this A and C. So your ABC is the required triangle. So last in the I just explained how to write a equation, right? I mean how to write the set of steps of construction, right? So you just follow the same steps. Okay, now come to the third question. It says construct a triangle PQR where QR is given as 6 centimeter, angle Q is 60 and PR minus PQ is given. So this is the other way around. Okay, so same way you will first draw the line of the required centimeter, that is your QR 6 centimeter. Take your scale and draw it, QR 6 centimeter. Okay, then use your protractor and draw a 60 degree angle. Okay, so this is going to be 60 degree. Now what you should do is you should extend it backwards also, like this. Okay, and then you take 2 centimeter which is given over here and cut an arc 2 centimeter over here. Okay, this is your D, 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. Now join this R and D. Alright, now draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay. Alright, so now let us draw a perpendicular bisector of this QR. So you'll have to draw it something like this. Okay, actually, okay, so it's not coming to, because I'm just doing a freehand drawing, so it's not coming properly, but this is how you should do it. And then you'll have to join these two. So this PQR, this is what is your required triangle. Okay, all right, so So you write the steps of construction. Now the last one, the fourth question, it says construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y is 30, angle Z is 90, and XY plus YZ plus ZX is equals to 11. So this is like the perimeter is given. Okay, the perimeter of the triangle is given. So take a scale, draw a line first 11 centimeter. Okay, a big line with 11 centimeter. Let us say this is 11 centimeter, Y and Z. Okay, now take your protractor, draw 30 degree from Y. Okay, so 30 degree from Y and 90 degree from Z. Okay, then you'll have to bisect these. So how do you bisect it? You will actually, okay, 1 minute, bisect it. So let us bisect this. This bisection comes over here like this. 1 minute. Bisection of this and bisection of the other one. Okay, that is this one. Bisect this 45 degree. Okay, so after bisecting, whatever you get, you mark it over here as A. All right, now what do you do? Draw a perpendicular bisector of both these lines. All right, so first let's draw the perpendicular bisector of this. So when you draw a perpendicular bisector, you'll get something like this, and the perpendicular bisector of this line AZ is going to be something like this. Right, now mark these things as okay, you need to draw a triangle XYZ, right? Okay, so this should be X, not A. Right, okay, this is X, this is Y, and this is Z. Right, now you join these two triangles, these two X and Y, X and Z also. Okay, and the next thing is X, Y, Z. This is the required triangle. Understood? So this is what is your required triangle. This triangle inside over here, this is your required triangle. All right, okay, fine. Now come to the last one. It says construct a right triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter. So you are going to draw it. It's like the first question we did. Okay, so it's a right triangle, that's all. So base is 12 centimeter. So first draw the base 12 centimeter. Okay, as it is AB. Understood? Then take a protractor and draw a 90 degree, or you can use a compass and draw it also, because you know anyways how to do it, right? So let's say this is X. Then after that, take the hypotenuse. See, they say the sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter. So take 18 centimeter over here. Okay, let's say this is D. Join it. Copy the angle. This angle, I mean, you know, this angle should be equals to this angle, whatever you have drawn. Okay, something like this, and this is going to be your C. So that's your ABC. ABC is the required triangle. Okay, it's like the question one. The only difference is 90 degree is the angle. That's all. Okay, so now that's it. Complete the work in your geometry classwork. Finish 6.2 exercise. Inshallah, see you with the next video next week. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.